Welcome to Literary Insights. This is the summary of the book 48-Hour Startup, From Idea to Launch in One Weekend by Fraser Doherty. If you like this content, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Ideas and products often emerge simultaneously in the market, so moving quickly is critical to gaining a competitive advantage. Launching first can determine success or failure. Starting a business has improved due to lessons learned and reusable processes. Many steps are the same regardless of the specific idea. This enables rapidly testing of new concepts. Businesses can now launch on a small budget using online tools and marketplaces. Web design, branding, marketing, and manufacturing expenses can be outsourced cheaply. Anyone can start a business for a few $100s. Costs and barriers to launching a business have decreased thanks to the internet and online services. This has enabled thousands of virtual businesses to start from home and compete with large companies. They have little overhead and can scale efficiently. Reasons for starting a business include making money, creative fulfillment, making an impact, and championing causes. Running a business can provide financial freedom and the chance to create something meaningful. The key is not striving for perfection. Pick a simple idea and execute it rapidly. Improve over time based on feedback. Don't get bogged down in details like the perfect name or logo. Start with good enough and optimize later. Rapid iteration and learning from mistakes are most important. The author encourages focusing on one thing at a time to achieve meaningful results and live fulfilling lives. Today's world is bombarded with information and distracted by technology. As a result, we skim the surface of many things but never fully commit to one. Choosing to devote attention to one goal, like starting a business, can lead to excellent results quickly. The story of the pizza pilgrims illustrates this. While starting a business sounds romantic, it involves challenging and rewarding days. Having a partner and focusing on meaningful impacts helps navigate challenges. Their story shows how dedicating time and attention to an idea or goal can lead to success. Generation Usual comes from paying attention. International New Points of View. What your focus? Serendipity. Seeing familiar problems, resource, and familiar forces differently, being willing to straddle the uncomfortable truth that them. Perfect. For finding ideas, it is essential. Challenging assumptions. Practice divergent thinking. Seek inspiration for different. Traveling and exposing yourself to new perspectives. Don't sold it in you the past. Sweeping statement like that. All good ideas have been taken. We can generate innovative ideas with focus and persistence, even if they're not entirely new. Reframing how we think about ideas is the key. Apply recycling and innovations, twists on familiar products or services. Everything men copied, adapted, or improved from something else, and your good idea some be first. Originality is overrated. Have a reason why customers choose you over competitors. What makes your story authentic? Shared your story. Get your product to marketplace quickly, focus on the basic version, then adapt based on feedback. Don't overcomplicate things. Start simple by creating a basic version of your idea in 48 hours. Look for the dull market with mediocre competition. As small players, focus on a niche. Use your agility and story as advantages. Explain your idea in the simplest, most compelling way. Keep iterating and improving this explanation based on feedback. Your story is more important than the originality of your vision. Share your ideas openly, as they more likely evolve in interesting ways. There are more ideas than those who implement them. Get early feedback and input and collaborate with others. Execution and storytelling are more important than pure originality. Find a niche within the mainstream market. You can find manufacturers to produce your product on sites like Alibaba. They will provide detailed specifications and send cost estimates, samples, and shipping details. You may need to send a physical model for some products. Ensure your specs are comprehensive. Self-publishing a book is an option if your product is informational. Use print-on-demand services like Blurb or Amazon's CreateSpace to publish quickly without significant costs. Books are trusted and powerful marketing tools. Drop shipping allows you to sell products without carrying inventory. You connect customers to manufacturers who ship directly. Negotiate a discount from the manufacturer and keep the margin. For example, sell local food and have producers ship to customers. Build an app if most customers access your business via mobile. Decide if an app is necessary or if a mobile website will work. Use drag-and-drop tools or hire a developer to build your app. Magazines are hard to profit from but build loyalty. Find great content and contributors. Use print-on-demand to produce without high upfront costs. Sell subscriptions, ads, sponsorships, and events for revenue. High-quality photography. Get an ISSN number to sell in stores. Give away ad space initially to get paid advertisers. Use InDesign to design or download templates. Upload video content to YouTube and embed it on your website. YouTube reaches over 1 billion people, and content spreads virally. Videos should be 1 to 3 minutes on your product, company, or how to tips. Post new videos regularly to keep viewers engaged. Offer online video courses teaching skills related to your product or business. Charge $99 to $500 per course. Video is an intimate medium for online learning. Keep methods focused with actionable content. Provide materials, workbooks, and community forums. Build your email list from course signups. To make money from video tutorials, choose a niche topic you enjoy and are knowledgeable about. Focusing on baking or cooking is an excellent option with mass appeal. Build your skills. Practice your craft and work on improving your technique and teaching ability. Watch other video tutorials to see what works well. Invest in good video equipment. You'll need a camera, lighting, microphone, editing software, and props. You don't need the most expensive gear but good enough for high-quality, professional-looking videos. Create a YouTube channel to host your videos. Choose a memorable name and channel art to build your brand. Focus on high-quality, valuable content. Viewers will only subscribe if your content is engaging, informative, and helpful. Provide valuable tips and recipes they can't find elsewhere. Post new videos regularly. Aim for at least 1 to 2 new videos weekly to keep viewers engaged and returning to your channel. Build up your content library over time. Engage with your viewers in the comments. Answer their questions and ask for feedback on what they want to see next. Build a community. Turn on ads once you have 1,000 plus subscribers and 4,000 plus watch hours. You can make money from the ads shown on your channel and videos. As your views and community grow, your earnings potential increases. Collaborate with relevant brands for sponsorships. Work with kitchen accessory brands, food brands, or other cooking channels. But choose collaborations that fit your style and audience. Diversify into other areas like ebooks, online video courses, or consulting. Use your audience and expertise to create additional revenue streams over time. Continuously improve your content and skills. Take courses on video editing, lighting techniques, or new cooking skills. Make each video better than the last. Consider doing live-stream cooking shows or Q&A sessions. Engage directly with your viewers in real time. But only do live content once you've built up an audience with your regular videos. That covers the critical steps to making money with instructional cooking videos on YouTube. The keys are: choose a great niche. Focus on quality and consistency. Build your audience. Diversify into other income streams. Focus on 1 or 2 social media platforms your target customers use. Post regularly and engage with your followers. Share photos, behind-the-scenes info, and your brand story. Build your email list by offering a discount or promotion in exchange for signing up. Email customers regularly with news offers and updates. Use a service like MailChimp to create professional emails. Start a blog to share tips, trends, company news, and other helpful content. Post at least once a week. Promote your blog posts on social media to drive traffic. Be active in relevant online communities like LinkedIn groups and forums. Provide helpful information and promote your products where appropriate. Build relationships. Offer promotions and discounts through daily deal sites like Groupon. This exposes you to new potential customers but ensures you can still make a profit. Drive people to your site and mailing list. Sponsor local events related to your industry or community. Attend the event to raise brand awareness and engage with attendees. Offer samples or promotions. Build partnerships and cross-promote with complementary brands. Feature each other on social media, blogs, and email newsletters. Co-host events or promotions. Get media coverage by sending press releases about news and events. Build relationships with journalists and influencers. Make it easy for them to learn about your brand by providing images, info, quotes, and samples. Use online ads like Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads to reach new potential customers. Target your ads to your specific audience. Drive people to your site or landing page with an offer. Track conversions to optimize. Offer promotions through social media contests and giveaways. To enter, ask people to like, share, comment, or follow your account. Have an attractive prize and transparent rules. Promote the contest to maximize entries. Announce the winner online. Consider video marketing by creating short YouTube ads, product teasers, behind-the-scenes footage, and live streaming on social media. Videos are engaging and help build brand personality. Promote your videos online. Meet customers at local stores or markets to raise brand awareness. Offer samples and promotions. Collect customer details to add to your mailing list. The key is using multiple strategies together in a coordinated campaign. Build your brand, engage with customers, drive traffic to your platforms and sites, generate sales, get media coverage, and continually optimize your efforts based on performance. You can establish a strong brand and loyal customer base with time and consistency. Consider selling on home shopping TV channels. They drive sales and brand awareness but have a selective product process. It would help if you had a website and prototype. It allows sharing your brand story. Partner with complementary brands. Cross-promote to each other's customers. Lowers customer acquisition costs. Come up with promotions promoting each other's products/services. L signatures, partner sites, and deal sites encourage first orders and sales. Integrate with your website/store. Move quickly to create a natural product. Make temporary packaging and samples to show potential customers and buyers ASAP. Leverage existing contacts and networks. Approach people you know. Identify and contact relevant buyers. Sell through multiple channels, online, local stores, and large retailers. Test, get feedback, and reach customers anywhere. Get initial customers through paid ads. Facebook ads drove first traffic and sales before other marketing took effect. The author made her first sale via Facebook ads. I spent $118, no profit yet, but I gained experience. I packaged the order and will follow up for feedback. Find your first customer by understanding needs, building relationships, and showing passion. Have your product on hand, you never know who you'll meet. Set up a legal company, open a business bank account, get a mailing address, look into government grants, find a manufacturer and fulfillment partner, consider exporting, and consider community support. Registering a company can be done quickly and cheaply online. A business bank account and mailing address separate business finances and look professional. Government grants can be time-consuming and not guaranteed. Focus on starting yourself, not relying on outside funding. But grants could provide bonus funding and support. To scale, we need a manufacturer to produce at high volumes and a fulfillment partner to handle shipping. Exporting and charity are options for further growth. Be wary of supposed crowdfunding experts. Learn from potential customers, not self-proclaimed experts. Crowdfunding allows raising funds from customers and supporters. Provides finance and an engaged community. Focus on a compelling campaign video to engage backers. Provide a strong business plan and financials. Promote the campaign to your network and on platforms. Keep backers engaged. Update them, solicit advice, and invite suggestions for new opportunities. Some may provide experience by joining your board. Crowdfunding provided funding to scale up without losing control of an ice lolly company. Tips: have a passionate founder in the video and offer tax incentives. Look for passion and enthusiasm over experience when hiring. Smart, passionate people can learn skills. Hire eager interns for little money. Directly approach candidates in similar roles for more knowledge. Be flexible in hiring by considering part-time or job-sharing roles. Provide autonomy and opportunity to help balance work and life. Flexibility and independence aid in attracting and retaining top talent. Search LinkedIn for people in the same role at other local companies. Many are open to new opportunities, so good applicants, especially if you offer equity in an exciting startup. The challenge is offering a competitive salary. While selling overseas is appealing, focus first on your home market. If you can't succeed locally, you likely won't be overseas, given added complexities. However, exporting can be rewarding, providing new markets and sales. Start small when exporting. Get products into a few stores, find customers, and grow from there. Don't make big plans, take action. Visit the country if possible to learn about the market and make connections. Find a trusted local partner who believes in your brand. Give them the freedom to customize for their market. Exporting is like starting a new business. It would help if you adapted to different cultures and regulations. Some markets are more accessible to enter than others. Persistence and putting yourself outside your comfort zone can pay off. Businesses can have a social mission, not just focus on profits. You can use your business to create positive change and support causes you to care about. Seeing your products in stores and knowing they bring enjoyment feels like success. Profits can be invested in charities and giving back. An example is organizing free tea parties for older adults, originally in Scotland but now throughout the UK and internationally. The founder's grandmother inspired this by bringing jam and scones to elderly neighbors. Thousands have attended the tea parties over the years. The author started Super Jam, a jam company, at age 14 after learning to make jam from his grandmother. Super Jam grew into an international company, and the author became the youngest supplier to a major supermarket chain. The company has invested in community programs like free tea parties for older people and community beehives. The author has founded other booming companies like Beer 52, an online craft beer retailer, and Envelope Coffee, a subscription coffee company. The author has received many accolades and honors for his entrepreneurship, including being named a member of the Order of the British Empire. The author speaks about entrepreneurship at many universities and events around the world. The key message is that passion and hard work, even starting small, can grow into something life-changing.